Hi, I'm SL, and welcome to the channel. Every day you use products from all over the world, coffee from Colombia, shirts from Vietnam, devices assembled in China. That's international business, the flow of goods, services, capital, and ideas across borders, shaping our lives in ways we barely notice. It's not just for big corporations, even a small artisan selling online is part of this global web. In this video, we'll break down the main ways businesses go global, from trading goods to investing directly in foreign countries. Let's dive in. Let's start with the oldest form of international business trade, exporting and importing. Exporting means selling what you make to customers abroad, like a Swiss watchmaker selling to Japan. Importing is buying goods from other countries, like French wine or German cars. Exporting helps businesses reach more customers and achieve economies of scale. Importing gives consumers access to products not available or affordable locally. Countries import what they lack or what others make more efficiently. Think Japan importing oil or the US importing bananas. This exchange is driven by comparative advantage. Sell what you're best at, buy what others do better. Trade connects economies and people, making the world interdependent. It shapes prices, jobs, and even international relationships. From the Silk Road to today's container ships, trade remains the backbone of global business. Every export is someone else's import, two sides of the same coin. It's the first step for most companies going global, and it's the most visible thread in the global economic tapestry. What if you want to go global without building factories or taking big risks? Enter licensing and franchising. Licensing lets a company in another country use your intellectual property, like patents or trademarks, in exchange for royalties. Disney, for example, licenses its characters to toy and clothing companies worldwide, earning revenue without making the products themselves. Franchising goes further. You provide a full business system, brand, recipes, training, to a local owner who pays fees and royalties. Think McDonald's or Subway. Local entrepreneurs run the stores, but the brand and system are global. For the franchisor, it's rapid expansion with less investment. For the franchisee, it's a proven business model. Both strategies let companies enter new markets with lower risk and cost. Local partners handle production and sales, adapting to local tastes and regulations. It's about collaboration, not direct control. Licensing and franchising turn ideas and systems into global revenue streams. Now, let's talk about the most committed way to go global, foreign direct investment, or FDI. FDI means a company sets up or acquires operations in another country, like building a factory or buying a local business. Greenfield investment is building from scratch, like BMW opening a plant in the US. Mergers and acquisitions are faster, buying or joining with an existing company, like Tata Motors acquiring Jaguar Land Rover. FDI gives companies control over quality, branding, and local adaptation. It helps bypass trade barriers. If tariffs are high, just build inside the country. It's expensive and risky, but offers long-term market presence and influence. Companies use FDI to tailor products to local tastes and respond quickly to changes. It's about being a true part of the local economy, not just an outsider selling in. FDI is the deepest level of international business commitment. It's a long-term strategy for companies aiming to become global residents. It's how businesses plant their flag in new markets. Sometimes, going global alone is too risky or complex. That's where strategic alliances and joint ventures come in. A strategic alliance is a partnership between companies from different countries to work on a project, sharing resources but staying independent. Airlines like United and Lufthansa form alliances to share routes and benefits, making travel smoother for customers. Joint ventures go further. Two companies create a new, jointly owned business for a specific goal. Sony and Ericsson teamed up to make mobile phones, combining their strengths and sharing risks. These partnerships help companies access new markets, share costs, and learn local business practices. Local partners bring market knowledge. Foreign partners bring technology or capital. It's teamwork to overcome the challenges of global business. Alliances and joint ventures let companies do together what they couldn't do alone. They're about sharing risks, rewards, and expertise. It's a smart way to tackle new markets. Now, let's look at the giants. Multinational enterprises, or MNEs. These are companies with significant operations, factories, offices, assets, in multiple countries. Think Coca-Cola, Toyota, or Unilever brands that seem to be everywhere. MNEs use all the strategies we've discussed: trade, licensing, FDI, alliances, to build global empires. They source materials, manufacture, and sell products worldwide, optimizing for cost and efficiency. This global reach lets them weather downturns in one region by thriving in another. But it also brings challenges, navigating different laws, cultures, and expectations. MNEs must balance global consistency with local adaptation. They're the ultimate example of treating the world as one big market. Their goal: maximize reach, efficiency, and profits on a global scale. We've covered the spectrum of international business, from simple trade to the vast reach of multinationals. Trade, licensing, and FDI are the core ways companies go global. Trade lets countries specialize and consumers enjoy more choices. Licensing and franchising turn ideas into worldwide revenue. FDI is for deep, long-term market presence. These strategies shape the products you use and the headlines you read. Now you know how businesses connect our world every day.